Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LG Smart TV error code 106. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So one of those things is your power cycle, the TV. In this case, what you need to do is you need to start the TV itself. So hold down the power button on your remote for 10 seconds to turn off the TV. Unplug the power cord from the outlet and wait for about a minute. Now plug it back in and turn on the TV on. Now access the quick settings, then go to network and select your Wi-Fi connection and entering the password to reconnect. Now once you've done that, see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, another thing you could do here is change your country settings. So press on the settings button on your remote, navigate to general settings, then location and LG services country. Now choose a different region like US or Canada, confirm and restart your TV and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, another two steps that you can do here to probably solve it. So enable the Live Plus option. Now in the settings, go to the general and then additional settings, disable quick start and enable Live Plus. Now another thing is reset your TV to factory settings. Now press the settings button, go to all settings, then general and system. Choose reset to initial settings and confirm with OK. Now just a reminder, this resets your settings, clears data, and can resolve network issues. Error code 106 is often related to settings, but if problem persists, your Wi-Fi module may be damaged, necessitating repair. Now alternatively, you can use a wired connection as a temporary fix. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.